When it comes to children and pool safety, the statistics are alarming. 350 children under the age of 5 drown in backyard pools each year. Installing a safety fence around your pool is a requirement in many cities and makes your pool safer. At this home, this is a beautiful aluminum fence by Durafence installed around this pool. But to really protect your children, installing a high-quality safety latch on your pool gate is one more precaution you can take. This is David Calabria with D&D Technologies. Hi, David.
Hi, Teresa.
Now, your company makes the Magna Latch. Tell me about that.
Yes, D&D Technologies manufactures safety gate latches and hinges for swimming pool fencing. We manufacture the true close hinges and the Magna Latch. Now, the Magna Latch is a magnetic safety gate latch that's designed to have no mechanical resistance to closure. What I mean by that is that when you open the latch, it has a magnet sitting in the housing here which pulls down a hidden or recessed latch bolt. Magnetically draws it in, so there's no mechanical resistance to closure, which is different to many of the latches that are sitting on pool gates and various other gates around the country here. Let me show you what I mean.
Okay. And this is what you were going to show me, a self-closing spring that a lot of homeowners use.
That's right, Teresa. Unlike the true close hinges, which is self-closing and tension adjustable, this spring isn't adjustable. Therefore, as you can see, the gate doesn't self-close. Also, it's exposed, so it rusts.
And it's dangerous for little fingers because they can get pinched in here.
Oh yeah, spot on, Teresa, that's right. It's very dangerous.
But David, a lot of people may not understand the Gravity Latch. You want to show me that?
Yeah, let me show you. Come through this way.
Okay. David, this latch isn't even closing properly.
That's right, Teresa. This latch is typical of latches all around the world, you know. I mean, number one, it's rusty. Number two, it's a gravity style or a spring style latch here, which obviously doesn't allow the latch to close. It has mechanical resistance to closure, as you can see, because the spring has to pull up or the gravity has to push up to stop, or to actually allow the latch to latch. And as you can see, because it looks latched, but it isn't latched, is the most dangerous situation for parents around the swimming pool.
Right, because from the other side you would think that it's latched.
Right, exactly.
Well, now that we see what's not working, let's put the Magna Latch in and make this pool safer.
Sure, Teresa.
David, I've got the striker plate installed on the gate. How are you doing over here?
I'm done here, Teresa. I've put the 2 mounting brackets on for the Magna Latch.
You know what I really like about these mounting brackets? They're wraparound, so that means they're mounted on 2 sides, which gives it added security and better shear strength.
That's right. It also provides an alignment method for the DIYer, which makes it very easy to install the latch. So what I'm going to do now is take the Magna Latch, which has an extrusion of a dovetail along the back of the latch, which matches up with the dovetails on the brackets. Very simple. All I do is slide it over the brackets and down, which makes...
Depending, David, on where the homeowner lives, they need to call their local code authority and get the right height requirement for the release mechanism. And then once they have that, they can set the Magna Latch. But does it have any kind of adjustability on
Yes,
it?
the Magna Latch has adjustability here. All we need to do is slide it up and down these dovetails to get the right height, and also for later adjusting the height of the latch if the gate sags. So what we have at the bottom here, 12 holes in the bottom bracket and 4 in the Magna Latch bracket. We slide it down to the right level, take a little set screw, just put the screw in the right hole, which matches in very small increments here for adjustment.
And this is the right height, so little hands can't reach it. David, now that you have the Magna Latch body installed, I'm going to install the striker body on the gate, and all I need to do is screw this in.
Okay, Teresa, once you have that installed, I'm going to show you how you use that screw to adjust for horizontal movements.
Okay, David, I've got the striker body installed. See how I did?
Pretty good, Teresa, but we're just a little bit out of alignment, and this makes things easy with the Magna Latch. All we need to do now is adjust for alignment by taking the screwdriver and screwing the striker body in and across to adjust for horizontal gap. So we take it in and see how that lines up. As we can see, that's perfect now.
David, now that we have the Magna Latch installed, we need to adjust the tension on these self-closing hinges by True Close, but what exactly are we testing for?
We need to ensure that the latch closes from any position, Teresa, including out here and also resting on the latching mechanism. So what we need to do is ensure that the latch closes from 1 inch away. So we let it go at this point. Obviously it doesn't latch, so we need to adjust the tension on the True Close hinges.
Okay, and you do that by using a screwdriver, pushing this down and turning it until the gate does latch.
That's perfect, Teresa. perfect.
Good. Now notice that there's also a locking mechanism on this.
Yeah, we've added a concealed lock to ensure that the homeowner feels safe when they're away from their home.
Many people may think, David, though, because it is magnet, that a kid could get on here and jump on it, pull it, and it would detach. But in this case, we can see it's not.
No, we've had many built-in safety features into the Magna Latch to ensure that it never disengages.
Good. Well, now that we have this gate secure, let's go take a look at another fence and make sure the perimeter fence is secure as well.
Okay.
We're at our second location and we're installing a different latch. David, this is the Latch Pro. Now we're installing this into a vinyl fence application, but also these can be installed in a wood fence as well.
That's right, Teresa. The Latch Pro is a privacy and security gate latch. It's designed to unlatch and latch from either side and lock and unlock from either side, which is quite unique. It also is made out of glass reinforced polymer, so it's rust-free. It has a 6-pin security lock. It can be key to lock to your front door. These are the main features.
Well, David Calabria, thank you very much.
Thanks, Teresa.
Now, all of the products that we've shown you today, the Magna Latch, the hinges at the other location, and the Latch Pro are individually less than $100 each. That's a great investment for the safety and security of your children and your family.